EVs are changing a lot of the ways we do things in the automotive landscape. There are fewer components to service for technicians, for example, and shops need to be prepared to update service bays and train technicians on the minutiae of how these vehicles operate and should be serviced. Out with the oil changes, in with the charging ports. While EVs may bring a new challenge, tire manufacturers still don't have to reinvent the wheel when it comes to making tires suited for EVs. They just need to focus on some specific aspects of tire construction to fit EV needs. The crux of it all stems from the weight and instant torque of EVs. With these prerequisites, traditional ICE tires will almost certainly wear quicker, something many current and potential EV owners are concerned about before they even consider buying one. The lithium-ion batteries at the core of EVs are heavy, so weight places additional strain on the electric car tires. Torque output also has advantages and drawbacks. It does allow rapid acceleration, but this instant torque also exerts frequent stress and wear on the tires, which can affect grip and longevity. This is a no-no for EV owners as well. They may love the instant acceleration, but don't want to risk losing grip or wearing their tires down even more. With these concerns in mind, Hankook has developed its own line of EV tires, the Ion Evo, to compensate for the added weight and instant torque of EVs. To start, Hankook developed iSupermileage technology. This incorporates a blend of eco-friendly materials and a high concentration of silica. With this technology inside all of Hankook's EV tire offerings, Hankook developed a solution that extends a tire's lifespan and improves tire health, addressing the specific wear issues faced by EVs. Hankook also includes EV contour technology in each of its EV tires. With this included, its line of EV tires can handle the extra weight of EV batteries. This technology enhances EV tire lateral rigidity by up to 25%. Additionally, this improves cornering rigidity by up to 20% when compared to all-season touring tires designed for ICE vehicles. These advancements are aimed at maximizing grip performance specifically for Hankook's EV tire lines. The technology Hankook puts into its EV tires is great, but what about how the tire is made to stand up to EV weight and reduce wear? Hankook also adds high-strength steel to its tires for improved durability and comfort, and reinforced steel belts to improve endurance for high-torque moments EVs provide. The Ion line includes a monolayer structure of fiber stiffener, which is applied to reduce rolling resistance and improve sidewall stability. Each Hankook EV tire also includes folded edge tape between belts for additional durability and a jointless bead wire to help the tire remain attached to the wheel with increased binding force. Thanks to Hankook Tire, EV owners don't have to worry about EV weight or increased tire wear being an issue. The technology and construction Hankook puts into its Ion line of EV tires ensures EV drivers will have peace of mind and experience the performance they come to expect with their EV. I'm Kyle Alexander. Thanks for watching.